Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to crochet this adjustable loop mask adapter. This adapter is made of two separate pieces, but both pieces are connected by a movable adjuster. Have a look. You can simply push this adjuster back or push it off to fasten the adapter. This is how to use it. Well, kindly watch the whole video for a complete tutorials and don't forget to subscribe. As usual, you need to have yarns, crochet hooks, a pair of scissors, needles, and button. Firstly, make a slip knot and chain 16. Make a slip stitch in chain 1. Make 3 more chain and 1 double crochet in the same space. Make 3 more chains and 5 incomplete treble crochets. Now 5 incomplete treble crochet are ready. Grab the working yarn and pull it through every 2 loops until you complete this part. Chain 1, then make a slip stitch on each of these loops here. At this last one, insert the hooks into front and the back loop. Grab the working yarn to make a slip stitch. Chain 3 and make a slip stitch in this space. Make 1 additional chain. Chain 3 and 5 incomplete treble crochet. After making 5 incomplete treble crochet, grab the working yarn and pull it through every 2 loops to complete this part. Chain 1 and make slip stitch on each loop in this part. Chain 3 and slip stitch in this space. Make chain 1 and 1 half double crochet, chain 3, 1 double crochet in chain 1, now make chain 3 and repeat the previous pattern. This is what it looks like. So you just need to repeat the previous patterns until you get the desired length. I made 5 pairs of petals and I think this is enough. Now I will make chainless foundations for single crochet. Firstly, chain 1, insert the hooks and grab the yarns, yarn over, pull through 1 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Insert the hook again into 2 loops like this. Be sure that the hook is inserted into 2 loops like this. Grab the yarns, yarn over, pull through 1 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Again, insert the hooks into 2 loops, grab the yarns, yarn over, pull through 1 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Just repeat these patterns until you get the desired length. For this project, I made 65 chainless foundations for single crochet. Okay, here's the result. Then chain 3 and 1 double crochet, then make the last pair of petals to complete this adapter. Now chain 3, slip stitch in this space, then chain 5, also slip stitch in this space, and another chain 5, and slip stitch in the same space. Now this adapter is ready. Make 1 more chains before you cut the yarns. Okay, now cut the yarns. And get it fastened. Hide the leftover yarns using the crochet hooks. And now cut it. Here's the result. See on the bottom. And now this adjustable mask adapter is ready. Thank you for watching.